I highly recommend coming back for the advanced class. You really get to take what you learned in the basics class and then apply it in the advanced class. I'm really excited of just feeling more confident in my ability to potentially plan a project from start to finish, and instead of always having to rely on plans I find online, but being able to like actually create my own plan that is applicable to what I need to do around my house. And I'm also really excited to, one thing I've been doing is I'll do little odd jobs for friends, whether it be electrical or like hanging shelves or whatever. And that's one thing I really want to continue to grow is like handyman skills, and being more confident in my ability to tackle those skills, even if I'm unsure of like exactly my game plan, knowing that I have the knowledge to go into a site and figure it out on site, even if it's not always graceful. Which that was one thing that was so great, was like learning that like it doesn't have to be perfect every time. Like you don't have to get it right the first time, that you can take something off and redo it and it's fine. I think if you have any interest whatsoever in carpentry or even just doing things around your house, that the advanced class really is essential, so you can gain that confidence so you can go back to your community and then carry your skills with you.